Get your legs in the car.
I can't! You've got me squished! Oh, don't do this to me when he be. Who the tell me? Shut the
Hello, Clearwater Police.
On the 9th of January, 2025, at approximately 2 a.m., in Pinellas County, Florida, deputies responded to a domestic disturbance between a father and his 9-year-old daughter, an incident that produced 3 criminal charges and a textbook primary aggressor analysis.
Hello, Clearwater Police.
This is my daughter right here.
Okay. Where's she at?
I don't know. I ran in the room after she assaulted me.
Is she still here?
Yeah, I believe so. Probably hiding. She's been Baker acted 3 times. She had bipolar reactive cycling and panic attack disorder. And I'm pretty sure she got more psychological disorders. But I was talking, she woke me up at like 1:20 in the morning. Just like,
14, 10, 12, the complainant.
ding, and almost gave me a heart attack.
Today?
This morning.
Okay. What's happening today?
That she assaulted me. She's bipolar. She needed to be Baker act. She's already been three times there for this occasion. She assaulted me. She threw me to the floor. She choked me using the handle. She first slapped me, and I was trying to guard myself from her. And then she did that and broke my handle.
Okay. Do you have any injuries or anything like that you can
I can't
tell?
talk. I'm just.
Do you mind coming out here?
And then I got
a little bit of redness on your neck. So you said she hit you in the neck with it?
She's done.
Did she hit you in the neck? With your cane?
Yeah, she was slapping me in the face,
okay.
And then she grabbed my cane, and that's why the end is broke.
Okay.
She choked me, and then I was laying on the floor choking from my mother and the sister, and she's like, she's trying to kill me.
Are there any weapons in the house or anything like that?
I don't think she has anyone.
What started all this tonight?
Probably her being intoxicated under the influence. Her 16-year-old dog died last night.
Okay.
They had to be euthanized, but that wasn't the maid. She was before that. She was doing.
Okay. And then while you were on the phone with 911, did she take your phone away?
Yeah, I was on the house phone calling, and I was trying to. I don't have the. I'm too freaking weak, and I'm dizzy, and I can't hold on. I can barely talk because it gets slurred, and I can't.
Okay.
Concentrate well. And I tried to grab my phone back, and she wouldn't let me get it back. And then I had to find my cell phone and lock myself in my room.
All right. Well, I'll go inside and I'll talk to her and see what's going on tonight. Okay.
Okay.
She actually doesn't share a bedroom. Unfortunately, it's a 3-bedroom apartment.
First time she assaulted me, she had these, and she started poking me in my face like that, and I had to hold her off of me because she has her episodes, and then she starts punching me in my side of my ribs, and I'm still trying to hold her, and then she gets the idea that I attacked her. I'm like, what world are you living in? What world are you
Where is she at? Is she in here?
She's in here getting clothes on.
Okay.
I'm the one who called.
She saw it?
There's a second bathroom in there, so I went and then Ariana was in this one, so I went into that one, and I hear screaming all of a sudden, so I come out.
How old is she?
She's 19. She'll be 20 in May.
Okay.
She's not stable.
Yeah,
She is
sadly.
not. She'll take her medication.
All right. I need you to come out. Get dressed. Put clothes on and come out.
Okay, I'm the one who called the cops.
Okay, that's fine. We need to talk. Okay.
Mom!
Because we have to come in and we have to talk with you.
Open the door, Mom!
All right. Come on.
I have no.
Come out.
I have
Come
no
out.
shoe
Come
on.
out. We're done playing this game. Come
No,
on.
I'm looking for my other shoe.
Let's go outside. What are you taking?
My anxiety medication that I'm prescribed.
Drink some water and let's go outside.
Okay.
Might be out here. There's right there.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, because I came home from my friend's house and forgot to put this on really quick.
All right. Just do me a favor. Look away.
What? He hit me with his cane.
Okay.
We're gonna talk with you.
Okay. But why didn't you put handcuffs on him?
Listen, we're gonna talk about it. All right.
When I was the one who called the cops on him for beating on me, bruises on me, on me, threw me against the wall, punching me in the face. I'm 19 years old. He's a 50-year-old man who's got all these psychological
All right, come with me, please.
problems.
You have anything on you you're not supposed to have?
I don't know. No.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
Do you have any contraband?
You're taking me to jail?
Yes.
What did I do?
We're gonna talk about it.
I have medication that I need to take.
Go ahead and grab everything for
Okay.
you.
Otherwise, I will have seizures and get withdrawals. I'm on Seroquel and everything. No. Why is it fair that he gets to call the cops on me after hitting me and throwing me
Take a
against
seat.
the wall? That's not fair. I have my grandma to back me up and my family.
All right. Before you say anything else, let me read this,
Okay.
and then we'll have a conversation.
Okay.
Okay? Do you understand your rights?
There's no proof.
Do you understand your rights?
I understand, but there's no proof, so how can you just take me when I have a bruise on my arm and he threw me against the wall and
Where's the
hit me
bruise on
with
your
his
arm?
cane? I've got ones on my legs and ones on
hold
my
on.
arms.
Before we get to all of
and
that,
he has
okay?
nothing. He's abusive. Ask my family. He's abusive. He's on Klonopin, Xanax, 30 of them every other day. He's been like this, and we've been trying to beg him to stop. I love him so much, and he gets into these drug comas and just gets so violent to everybody. And then he's like, "You want to know what? I got sent to jail because you have this and whatever." And I'm like, "That's just evil. I did nothing."
I'll tell you the very first thing you're under arrest for, right? Because I was hearing live 911. Right? I have access to all live 911
I
calls
did that
coming
one
through.
time before, and he snatched the phone out of my hand. They all snatched the phone out of my hand when I tried to call 911. So I stopped at that, and then he was doing it, and I
So
was
then
like,
you
"What the
took
hell?"
the phone out of his hand today?
No, he had
while
it like
he was on the phone
he
with
had it
911?
right here, and I was like, "What are you doing?" And then it hung up.
So you took his
No,
phone.
I didn't take his phone. I was like, "What are you doing?" And he just hung
So
up.
why did you tell Grandma that you snatched it from him when you were behind the door?
No, I
You.
We
didn't.
heard you through the door. You did say
And
that.
I had to snatch the phones from everybody else in the house when he had robbed all of us for our
Okay,
gold.
we're not asking. We're asking about what happened tonight when you took the phone out of his hand.
I was trying to use the bathroom to wash my face, and he was in the bathroom, and I was patiently waiting for him to get out. And I don't know exactly what happened, what led up to it, but I just know we got into each other's, like he kept getting closer to me, just like last time. He cornered me into a wall and we started just going at it and tackling each other. And he had his like cane in his hand, and he went like this to try to hit me, and I grabbed the cane, and that's when we were going to start fighting, because he hit me with the cane, a metal cane. I'm 19 years old. You're 50. I'm your daughter, and that's why I want him to stop taking this Klonopin, because it makes him evil. The Xanax 30 Xanax every week. You can go check in there. It's not prescribed to him either.
Ariana, you're the only one with a different story than what everyone else has to say in that house.
Like what?
Like that you were aggressive, right?
Yeah,
And that
my
you
dog
hit him.
just died today. I was screaming.
So why did you take the phone away from him while he was on the phone
I
with
didn't.
live
He had it right here, and I was
911?
like, "What are you doing?" Because last time I tried to call the cops, they snapped.
I'll tell you what you said on 911. You said, "Give me that, give me that."
Yeah,
And then
I was
you
like, "What are you doing?" Like, because last time I tried to call the cops on him, they all took the phone away from me. But I was like, "Did you not just see that he punched me in the face and threw me in the wall? Like, I am literally like 120 pounds. What am I supposed to do? He's my father. I wanted him to love me and be nice and love, but he's just
How much have you had to drink tonight?
0. I'm completely sober. You
No,
can
you're not.
you can
You're under the influence of something.
No, I'm manic.
Okay.
I'm manic because my dog died.
What are you diagnosed with?
Bipolar, borderline. That I had already gotten psychiatric help, and even the other police that came to the house told him to get out, because he just instigates, and he's just very narcissistic. If I called the cops first, would you have gotten him?
It doesn't matter who calls the cops first. What matters is the entire circumstance, right?
Yeah, and the entire circumstance is that he beat the out of me. He threw me against the wall. Please ask my family. They saw that he put his hands on me first, and I had to defend myself. And this is what he wants. He wanted me to go to jail.
Well, he's telling me
He's telling
defending
you-
himself.
he's
right?
telling you something.
And he has injuries.
Yeah, because he did it to himself. Because he's that crazy. He has issues. I don't know how to explain it to you. He's just in neurological problems. You're taking me to jail because my dad beat me and I defended myself, and
No,
my
that's
grandma.
not why you're going to jail.
And what?
You're going to jail, one, for preventing him from calling emergency services.
He did that to me before too.
Okay.
They all
well,
three of them.
Listen, we're not talking about what happened in the past. I
So
wasn't
this was
here
2
with you
days
before.
ago.
I wasn't here 2 days ago. Okay, I'm here tonight, and I'm dealing with what's happening tonight. Okay, and you're also under arrest for domestic battery.
Domestic battery when he hit me first? Justice system is You guys don't know how to do your job.
Okay. What's your phone number?
Because if you see a 50-year-old man punch me in the face and hit me with his cane, oh, a 19-year-old, 119-pound girl.
No. You also told your grandma that you snatched the phone from him. That in itself is a crime to take the phone away when someone's calling 911.
It's not.
It is. It's
He did that to
someone of
me. He
emergency
did that to me
services.
yesterday multiple times.
Okay.
I had to take the phone away from my grandma when she was trying to send him to jail years ago. I tried to protect his family.
Okay, well, that's what you're under arrest for. All right.
Under arrest, I never took the phone from him, ever.
It's depriving someone of 911. All right.
I never took the phone away from him. He acted like that, and he hung up.
You told the 911 operator, you told her dispatch that you took the phone from him, too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I was on the phone with the operator. I was like, do you want me to stay on the phone with you? She's like, yes, please. They're here, they're here, they're here.
Okay, prior to that, you told her.
And so I went over there,
Okay.
and I was on the phone.
All right, ma'am. What are you doing?
Tell them he hit me first, Jessica. I will not go to jail if all of you witnessed it that he hit me first. Next time, watch. I'm gonna call the cops on him after he hits me. The next time. What am I doing? I'm talking to my family member, sir. That's what I am doing. Since you won't let me love her, anything, we all just lost our 16-year-old animal. But you cops, you don't care. You have no morals, no sensitivity, nothing. It's sad that you just take a 19-year-old girl who's almost finished in high school in a week, and because my dad hit me with a cane and you believed him over me? Because you're a man. You can ask all my family. They know. Everyone is scared of him. He needs to go to a psychiatric hospital and get help. And even Siobhan said that he has anger issues. He takes clonazepam, Xanax, 30 of them. He's got them in his house. He gets violent and starts to beat on people and everything. And we have to walk around eggshells. And I'm the only one who sticks up for her family. He hits me, and they always tell me not to call the cops, tell him not to call the cops. We don't like to call the cops because whoever calls the cops goes to jail. Can you tell my aunt to come out here and say goodbye?
No, that's it. We're done.
You are the worst cops in the world. And you guys don't give me my medication, which I get seizures from.
Give me your hands.
Jessica, you know he hit me first all the time.
Stop, or you're gonna get a resisting charge.
You know he hit me first. Help me. If you told them the truth, I would not be going to jail. Jessica! No, you liar! You hit me with the cane first. You wanted me to go to jail forever. That's you tapping me wrong.
Sit in the car.
I can't. That's you what you're doing to me.
Get your legs in the car.
I can't. You've got me squished up. I can't.
Then sit up.
How? How the do you want me to sit up when I can't?
Now you're getting a
I
resisting
didn't even
charge.
do anything.
Now you're getting a
I was
resisting
trying to
charge.
talk to my
Back
family.
Step out.
Jessica, you
Stop.
need to tell them the truth because they said you agreed with him, but he hit me in the face first. You need to call me soon and tell them the truth. Jessica, I can't believe you're letting them do this to me when he be. Who the tell me? Shut the You need to get me out, Jessica. I cannot believe you let the take me.
At the end, our
Florida Statute 741.29 paragraph 4 subsection B requires officers to identify the predominant aggressor by weighing injury, severity, history of domestic violence, likelihood of future harm, and whether either party acted defensively. The identity of the 911 caller is not dispositive. Florida courts evaluate the totality of circumstances rather than the timing or volume of the complaint. Florida Statute 914.22 paragraph 1 subsection E criminalizes interference with a 911 call as third-degree felony witness tampering. Grabbing, disconnecting, or destroying a phone during an active call falls squarely within this provision. Live 911 audio overheard by responding deputies constitutes independent probable cause, distinct from victim statements or visible injury. Self-defense under Florida Statute 776.012 is an affirmative defense raised at trial. It does not bar arrest where probable cause exists, but it is a mitigating factor within the primary aggressor analysis. The Florida Supreme Court held in Tillman v. State 934 Southern, 2nd 1263, that a person may not lawfully resist even an unlawful arrest by force or violence. The proper remedy is judicial. Florida Statute 843.01 requires the state to prove the defendant resisted by offering or doing violence to the officer. Without that element, the offense reduces to 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor covering passive resistance. Florida Statute 394.463. The Baker Act grants officers concurrent civil authority to involuntarily transport a subject in mental health crisis for psychiatric examination independent of any criminal charge. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 United States 386 officers' field decisions are evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Lesson 1. Calling 911 first does not establish victim status. The primary aggressor framework follows the evidence, not the timing of the call. Lesson 2. Taking another person's phone during an active 911 call is an independent felony, even if the taker genuinely believes they are the true victim. Lesson 3. Self-defense claims belong in a courtroom, not at the doorstep. Resistance during arrest, even verbal, materially worsens the defendant's legal position. Lesson 4. Where mental health crisis is documented, the Baker Act offers a parallel civil pathway. Officers, complainants, and family members should know it exists before a 911 call escalates to a criminal arrest.